Assalamu alaikum, little dreamers. Today on the Daffa show, we're floating into a magical place. A place with no pain, no homework, and yes, possibly ice cream mountains. Please welcome your host, the boy who once tried to pray with socks on backwards. It's Daffa.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Before that, thank you for Mr. Narrator that my mom just bought his voice. Ha 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 ha. Okay, listen up. Today's question is so big. Even my brain said, bro, are you serious? We're talking about what's inside Jannah. Like, is there a pizza waterfall? Do kittens wear sunglasses? Can I get a giant cookies that sing nashes when I bite it?
In Jannah, Allah gives us more than we can ever imagine. Rivers of milk, golden trees, no sadness, no fear, only happiness, forever.
Okay, my Jannah dream is a sparkly grand piano on the sky and the sand smell like cupcake. I just want Nintendo Switch that never dies and the B button gives me ayam goreng spicy level 10.
In Jannah, anything you wish for can come true, even if it's a flying bicycle made of marshmallows.
Wow, it's so amazing. So let's earn it, okay? Be kind, pray on time, smile lots, and keep dreaming big because Jannah is even bigger. See you next time on the Daffa Show. And don't forget to say Alhamdulillah.